Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in. Just a really short one today, and it's about the Osmo Pocket 2, which I bought as a refurb unit and didn't pay anything like the original price for it. It's a DJI supplied refurb unit via a reseller, and I'm very pleased with it. Now, I could have bought the combo pack. I could have if I'd have been a day or so earlier, because they'd actually sold out by the time I got to that, and I was kind of kicking myself that I didn't have that, because I fancied the do-it-all handle. And now I'm actually quite happy that I didn't buy it because of the extra money, because I already had an Osmo Pocket. I already had the accessories. There's the Wi-Fi base. You can see the wheel on there, which is entirely compatible, and I've just dropped something on the floor. There we go. And I had the DJI mic adapter. So I already had this functionality there. The difficulty with a lot of this functionality is actually combining it all together. And the do-it-all handle, of course, gives you wireless and a mic adapter in one, which is one of the problems with using these two devices separately, because you can't just attach them together. You can't do that with the Wi-Fi base and have Wi-Fi and mic control. It's a pain in the neck. There's a way around this, and it's one of these. This is a USB-C extension cable. They're surprisingly expensive, actually. There's a link below for one of these, but it gives you the ability to remotely control your Osmo. So if I slide on my USB-C connector onto that, I can plug on the extension cable there, and I can plug that end into my mobile phone, and it will think the mobile phone's connected to that. It will work also with Lightning and Apple products. So you've still got the ability for remote control using Mimo. You can then plug in your mic adapter to the bottom, and you've got a remote control camera with microphone connection as well. Now, it's fair to say that the audio off the Pocket 2 is considerably better than the Pocket 1, and you might think, oh, I don't need the mic. Believe me, you do. Having the ability to record better quality audio, particularly if you're doing vlogging and such, like I tend to, if you're recording someone's speech, having a lav mic is absolutely essential. This is the BY-M1 mic. I bought it probably about 8 months ago. It's brilliant. It's about 15 UK pounds. Links below. Thoroughly recommend it. You get a nice clear audio of it. Now, I'm not going to pretend it's going to be as good as an expensive lav mic, but it's more than adequate for getting into improving your audio, particularly the speech audio. Now, at the moment, I'm not using this because, well, it's here and not connected to the camera. But a lot of my videos are, and it is pretty good. And I'll give you a comparison of it in just a second. Right, so I'm not going to fiddle with this and put it through my shirt. This is now the audio from the BY-M1 lav mic. I'm sure you'll agree it's perfectly good. It's not connected directly to the camera. I'm using it through a wireless link, but that's not really affecting it in any way, shape or form. So with these simple adaptations, you've still got a great deal of control over the Pocket 2 without going and buying the combo unit. Now, there's still another way of capturing the audio as well. So if you don't have the DJI mic adapter, this little thing, which is incredibly expensive for what it is, let's not ignore that. I mean, these are about 30 UK pounds. So yeah, not cheap in the slightest. And of course, yeah, dedicated just to this camera. So yeah, you might consider it to be an expensive waste. Well, here's another solution. The Zoom H1 Now this is an outmoded or superseded product that's now the Zoom H1N, but I buy a lot of stuff secondhand because, well, it's cheap and you get to test it out and you know it works before you buy it. So hey, what's there to lose? You know? But this cost me, I think, about £30 secondhand. They're going for that kind of money on eBay. I'd thoroughly recommend it. Or go and buy the H1N, and there's a link down below. It's the new model of it, and it's brilliant. You plug your lav mic into it if you've got one, or just hold it somewhere about your person, and you've got great audio which you can sync in post-production. So a number of different options there for saving yourself some money on buying the combo kit, particularly if you've already had these other devices from a Pocket One ownership exercise in the past. I hope that's been useful to you. Links for everything that I've mentioned in this video are below. They are affiliate links. I'll get the tiniest of kickback if you go into Amazon and buy one of these things or anything having clicked on one of those links. So if you are going to do that, please help me out by doing that, because it won't cost you any more than Amazon, probably one of the world's lowest price suppliers for decent quality stuff, and the customer service, as I'm sure you know, is pretty much second to none. If this video has been useful to you, please hit the like button down below, down here somewhere, and click the subscribe button, and well, yeah, heck, there's some other videos to watch on the Osmo Pocket series as well. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you soon.